What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kelsey. You already know wwho it is, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see by the title, I am going to do a braided goddess ponytail, and the hair that I'm going to be using is by Freetress. It is the deep wave hair, and then I also use the Easy Braid 4-pack. It's a quad. I'm not sure how many inches it was, but we didn't even use this whole bag of hair to do the look. So yeah, just keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I just wanted to add on this part, because normally I start with braiding hair, but I just wanted to try something different, which it came out really cute, and it does look more natural when you start out with your real hair, braiding your real hair down. And so I'll probably braid it down about 4 times, and then that's when I start adding hair right after each other. So as you can see, I'm going to add a piece of hair right here, braid, wrap it in, and then add another piece. And I do that back to back to back to back when I'm doing straight back braids. And yeah, just keep braiding. I hope you guys can see it. If you want more detail, if you want me to slow it down, if you want a more closer look, or anything, y'all, please let your girl know. That's the only way I'm going to perfect these videos for you guys, so you guys can get it, understand it, and learn from it. That's the goal. So again, I know I said already I want you guys to enjoy the video. So I'm just going to let you guys watch. But real quick on this part, I'm showing you how I'm adding in the wavy hair. So once I add the hair in, I set it aside and I keep braiding. And so the easy thing about this, I see some people gluing the tips, some people wrapping the tips. I don't do any of that. All I do is braid the straight hair all the way down to the ends, and the hair don't come apart. Now, unless you just want it all curly ends, what I would do is get shorter braiding hair and then add the curly hair on the end. So the curly hair will be the last thing that you have, if that makes sense. And you will braid that down, you know, until it's kind of skinny and you're done. But she wanted the long braids, so I just kept the braided the straight hair all the way down and pulled out the curly hair. And boom, simple and easy, y'all, because I didn't have time to be gluing nothing together, getting my fingers stuck together, or my fingers feeling all hard while I'm braiding. No, I did not want that. And I definitely didn't want to do knots, because I've tried to do knots and they just don't seem to last for me. They just come unravel. And maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, so again, I did quite a few braids on here. As you can see, the video is 15 minutes long. So if you guys also want shorter videos, let me know. If you want more in-depth videos, let me know. And also, I just thought about it. You can also, if for some reason you feel like this video is too fast, you can go under the settings on the video. I don't know if it's like in the right hand corner or somewhere, but you can actually slow the speed down as well if you need to see exactly how I'm braiding or whatever. So if I see something else that I might need to say something on, I'll come back to you guys. But I think this time I'm just let y'all enjoy the video. So thank you again for watching. I love you guys, and I hope you all have a very blessed day.
Purchase your tracks today.
Fatality.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Young Shad, you killed this track.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Fatality.
Purchase your tracks today. 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 Purchase your tracks today.
Young Shad, you killed this track.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Fatality.
Purchase your tracks today. 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 Purchase your tracks today.
Young Shad, you killed this track.
Purchase your tracks today. 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 Purchase your tracks today.